Hi, I'm Brianna from Bonanza, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to share your listings on social media. You might be familiar with the quote from Field of Dreams, "If you build it, they will come." So think along those lines, except instead of a baseball field, think of social media. One of the most frequent questions we get is how to increase traffic to your booth. While Bonanza is always working behind the scenes to drive more traffic, you might also consider the social media platforms you visit on the regular. Here are some numbers to chew on. In 2020, Pinterest and Twitter both estimated having over 300 million active users, while Facebook boasts having over 2 billion active users. Even if you aren't following or friends with 300 million people, word can spread fast, so your friend might know a friend who is looking for what you have listed in your booth. As always, we like to keep things simple, so we've made it easy for you to share your listings to these platforms where you might already have an account. Hover over the selling link and select View Your Booth. Scroll down and select a listing. Under the Add to Cart button, you'll see a link that says Share. If you select that, the platforms will pop up. You'll be prompted to log in, and then you'll be able to provide a short description of the item you're listing, which will be linked back to your Bonanza booth. As a reminder, you can earn commission-free sales by using your referral code. From the selling link, select Advertise Items, and then select Free Referral Traffic. On this page, you'll learn what the code looks like and how to use it. As always, don't forget to review the frequently asked questions. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. For more information, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.